Hello, our art friend. Today in Kitty Kanjo, we are going to learn how to draw a bat cupcake. So grab your art supplies and let's start drawing. First, draw a vertical line slightly tilted. Then draw a curved line at the bottom and another tilted vertical line at the other side. On the top of the vertical line, draw two triangular bat ears and connect them together with a small curved line. Draw a small triangle on the outer side of each ear. Inside the cupcake, draw a large circle for the eye. With two eyelashes on the side. Repeat the same steps to make the other eye. Then color them, leaving white spots to show light reflection. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw a half circle between the eyes for the mouth. To make the first layer of the icing, draw a curved pillow shape that is higher on one side than the other. Repeat the same step on top, but make it smaller and also higher on one side than the other, but on opposite sides of the first layer. Make an upside down letter V, slightly tilted, to make the top of the icing. Draw a small curved line coming out from the side of the cupcake, going upwards, then draw a curved line coming down. Connect the bottom of the wing to the cupcake by making a curved zigzag line at the bottom. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other wing. Decorate each wing with a couple of lines. Batterlicious! Now you can draw a cute bat cupcake. Grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.